Your YouTube routine may be about to get a little less feral. The company is rolling out a 0-minute shorts limit, which is a very polite way of saying, yes, you can finally tell the app to stop throwing short videos at your face. And that sounds like a tiny settings tweak, but it actually points to something bigger. Normal people are getting tired of apps that behave like casinos with better typography. According to The Verge, YouTube is now rolling out a setting on iPhone and Android that lets users put a 0-minute limit on shorts. Earlier versions bottomed out at 15 minutes. This new version effectively removes shorts from the app once your limit is hit, and in testing it also strips them from the home screen. In other words, YouTube is adding an escape hatch from one of the internet's most efficient attention traps. What's interesting is not just the feature. It's the admission hidden inside the feature. For years, every platform copied the infinite short video scroll because it worked. It kept people swiping, twitching, and mysteriously forgetting why they opened the app in the first place. But a 0-minute option says something platforms rarely say out loud: some users do not want more engagement. They want more control. That matters for everyday life because this changes how people browse. If shorts can be muted out of YouTube, the app starts feeling less like a snack machine and more like a tool again. You open it to search, compare, learn, fix something, watch a full video, then leave with your brain still mostly intact. That's a different daily habit. Less accidental scrolling, more intentional watching. And if users like this, the pressure spreads. Once one giant platform gives people a cleaner way to avoid the addictive layer, every other app looks slightly more suspicious for not doing it. The question stops being, can platforms hook us? We already know they can. The new question is whether they will compete on helping us unhook. So no, this is not just about shorts. It's about the future of consumer tech quietly shifting from maximum capture to selective restraint. Which is funny, because the next wave of innovation might be apps finally learning when to leave you alone.